Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to online classes of Iqra Fast Boys Secondary Schools, our project of Iqra Education System. My dear brothers, in the last video lecture, we discussed about types of letter and format of letter. And I told you that we would be covering letter writing samples from the years 2011 till 2020 from the past 10-year papers. And in the series of that, this is the sample letter writing from year 2011 before you. We will go through this part by part and step by step, but before that, I will remind you that we have 6 parts in letter. Part number 1, address of sender or writer. Part number 2, date. Part number 3, body with 2 parts or 2 paragraphs. First paragraph, greetings with a salutation, and second paragraph in body is purpose or detail. Then we have another part, that is closing. And after closing, we skip one line before the ending, then we start ending, and in the end we write name or signature. Mind it, my dear brothers, between dates and body we skip one line, and between closing and ending we skip one line. You have to skip one line in between these 2 places, and you have to remember where you have to start a new paragraph. Let's go through this letter writing of year 2011. The question for this sample letter writing is: write a letter to your uncle informing him about your future plans after your success in SSC examination. This question is from the year 2011 from the past papers. We will start address of sender or writer from the half of the page from the right hand side. You can see on the board here, examination hall, comma, A dot B dot C dot school, comma, Karachi, full stop. If you remember, in the video lecture on application writing, I explained you people that we do not mention the name of the school and our own name. Instead, we use A dot B dot C dot school, and instead of our own name we use X dot Y dot Z dot. Here you can see on the board I have done the same thing. Examination hall, comma, A dot B dot C dot school, comma, Karachi, full stop, and then dated January 1, 2020. You already know that I always exemplify an exemplary date. So you people have to mention the date on which you are writing a letter. After the date you will skip one line, and from the left hand side from the margin line you will start salutation, dear uncle. You may write the name of your uncle along with the word uncle, like dear uncle Inayat, dear uncle Shazib, dear uncle Talha, whatever the name of your uncle is you can mention here. And additionally you can also mention Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, being a Muslim. Dear uncle, comma, then you will start a new paragraph for greeting. I was happy to receive your letter and hear from you. I felt good to know that you are in the best condition of health. If you people remember, this is the fixed format of greeting, and you have to use this greeting for every informal letter. Then you will change the paragraph, and from the new paragraph you will start the second paragraph of body, which is purpose or detail, the reason why you are writing this letter. I am writing this letter with reference to your last letter to inform you about my meritorious success in SSC examination and my future plans. Here I will tell you the meaning of meritorious. Meritorious means outstanding, fantastic, fantabulous, or excellent in simple words. So when you say about my meritorious success, it means about my excellent success, about my outstanding success, extraordinary success in SSC examinations and my future plans. Your achievements and success in life have always been an inspiration to me. What do we mean by inspiration? Inspiration means somebody or something that inspires or motivates you. That somebody or something is called inspiration. So when you are saying your achievements and success in life have been inspiration to me, it means that you have been motivated or inspired by the achievements and success of your uncle. Your achievements and success in life had always been inspiration to me, so I thought of sharing my inclination with you and taking your valuable guidance. What do we mean by inclination here? Inclination means interest, desire, or liking. We further go ahead. As I have passed my SSC exams with A1 grade, I am eligible to take admission in any renowned college for engineering. I have used two new words in this line. Number one, eligible, and number two, renowned. Eligible means qualified or fit, or you can say suitable, or in simple words, competent. So I am competent or suitable or fit or qualified to take admission in any renowned college. Renowned means famous or esteemed, or in simple words, well known. In any well-known college for engineering. I want to take an engineering degree as this field has wider scope ahead nationally and internationally. Kindly guide me fully. Here your body has completed, and for the next part of the letter, which is closing, you will start a new paragraph from the left hand side from the margin line. I hope that this correspondence will keep us in contact. I will be waiting for your response at your convenience. Take good care of yourself, pay my salam to others, and love to kids. This is the paragraph of closing, and then you will skip one line and you will start the ending of the letter from the left hand side from the half of the page. Sorry, from the right hand side from the half of the page. With love, comma, x dot, y dot, z dot. Now I will exemplify you the same sample letter writing from the year 2011 on a page from your register. Here you are. My dear students, as you can see, I have mentioned both dates, English and Islamic. You have to mention both the dates in every work you do. English date and Islamic date, and in between the dates you have to write CW for classwork if you're writing that work as classwork, and if you're writing any work as your homework, then you will write HW for homework. And you can see on the top of the page I have mentioned the page number. If you remember, in the very first lecture of how to maintain your register, I recommended you to mention the pages number from the first page to the last page. I hope you have done it. And then on the top you will write letter writing year 2011. Then from the first line you will start examination hall, comma, A dot, B dot, C dot school, comma, Karachi full stop, dated January 1st, 2020. These two parts are address of writer or sender and dates. I have always told you, I am telling you again, you always have to start address of the writer and the date from the right hand side from the half of the page. You will calculate the half of the page and then you will start these two parts. After the date you will skip one line and then you will start salutation. Dear uncle, then you will start a new paragraph for greetings. I was happy to receive your letter and hear from you. I felt good to know that you are in the best condition of health. This is the paragraph of greetings. Then you will start the new paragraph of purpose or detail. I am writing this letter with reference to your last letter to inform you about my meritorious success in SSC examinations and my future plans. Your achievements and success in life has always been inspiration to me. So I thought of sharing my inclination with you and taking your valuable guidance. As I have passed my SSC exams with even grades, I am eligible to take admission in any renowned college for engineering. I want to take an engineering degree as this field has wider scope ahead, nationally and internationally. Kindly guide me fully. This is the end of your body paragraph. Then you will start a new paragraph for closing. I hope that this correspondence will keep us in contact. I will be waiting for your response at your convenience. Take good care of yourself, pay my salam to others, and love to kids. This is the end of your closing paragraph. Then you will skip one line, and from the half of the page from the right hand side you will start the ending of the letter. With love, comma, x dot, y dot, z dot. So my dear brothers, this is the end of this video lecture on a sample letter writing from the year 2011. We will be covering some more letter writing from other years, for instance year 2012, 2013, 2014, 15, 16 and onwards. We will meet again in a new lecture, inshallah. See you then. Take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.